Gusto nyo magkaroon ng round trip ticket for 2 all for free papuntang Coron, El Nido, Bohol, Sicogon, etc. Guys, super legit to, and not only that, meron pang Klook credits na worth 10,000 pesos. Kung naalala nyo guys, pumunta ako ng El Nido, nagpartner ako with Klook at saka Air Swift. Now, ganito nyo makukuha yan. Hanggang today lang yan, October 7, kasi pagtapos na yan, hindi na kayo pwede manalo. Kaya act now! All you have to do, number 1, is to like and follow Klook_PH sa Instagram. I-make sure nyo na fina-follow nyo rin si airswift.airlinesph. Now, kailangan mo i-like yung Team El Nido video. Eto siya ha, ako yung nasa gitna, day. The other video rin ng Team El Nido is this one. Well, technically carousel siya. So, yung dalawa, kailangan nyo yan i-like. Hindi lang yun best. Pwede ka rin makakuha ng limited edition Klook merch. 10 kayo pwedeng manalo niyan. But syempre, ang grand prize is the round trip ticket via Air Swift at saka 10,000 Klook credits. Go Team El Nido tayo, guys. And syempre, don't forget